Hello and welcome to this 10-minute chair yoga flow. My name is Vickie-Marie. I hope this finds you healthy and well. We're going to begin to sit in our chairs. This could be an office chair, dining room chair, but it's beginning to come into your seated position. Feet are in contact with the earth. If you are hovering a little bit, you might have a block or a book underneath the feet if that brings you more ease. As we begin to come into our seated position, soles of the feet are spreading either onto the bricks or the earth. We're going to begin to take the shoulder blades down the back. And the palms can be down in the lap or up towards the sky, whatever's most comfortable for your shoulders today. Beginning to soften or close the eyes. And just beginning to connect with your breath. On your next inhale, we're going to begin to invite physical movement to our practice. So beginning to take the arms up overhead. For some, we might stay wide. Maybe the palms come closer, or maybe even make contact. As we exhale, we're going to begin to take a twist. Now, as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror you. So left hand coming to that right thigh, right hand coming behind, if you have a back to your chair. Looking to the right or over that right shoulder. Making sure that left heel doesn't pop up. As you inhale, releasing the twist, taking the arms back up overhead. And then exhaling, taking that twist in the opposite direction. Inhaling the arms up overhead. We take a little bit of seated cat-cow. So interlacing the hands, taking the palms to the back of the head, thumbs along the neck. As we exhale, tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine, elbows are coming in towards each other. Inhaling, lifting the gaze, opening the elbows, maybe taking the gaze up overhead. Just taking a few rounds between these two poses of seated cat-cow. As we exhale, we'll come back to our cat. Chin tucked in, elbows towards each other. Gentle pressure on the back of the head. Inhaling, opening up. Gently beginning to release the bind, circling the wrist back to our lap. We're going to take a gentle side stretch. So taking that right hand down to the chair. Inhaling that left arm up, going for length. And then maybe going over towards the side. Bending that right elbow. And then slowly beginning to bring this left hand down. Right arm's going up. Gaze can follow. And then over towards the left. And beginning to release that right hand down. Inhaling the arms up overhead. We're going to come into a gentle forward fold. So stretching the fingers up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, hinging at the waist, fingers coming forward. And then down towards the earth. You might let the torso come onto the thighs as we fold. We're going to take a halfway lift. So taking the hands to the thighs or the shins, lifting the torso and the gaze. Exhaling, folding back down. Inhaling, we're taking the arms up overhead. Again, gaze can follow. We're going to come back into that forward fold. So stretching the fingers, hinging at the waist. Forward fold. Inhaling your halfway lift. And forward fold. Inhaling the arms up overhead. And this time we're going to begin to bring the palms together down into the heart space. I'm going to take a little bit of a pigeon / figure of 4. So we're going to take this left foot onto the right thigh. So it might be the ankle or the pinky edge of the foot, yogi's choice. And we're just going to add a gentle pressure to this left knee, tall spine. We can stay right here. We're going to begin to take a twist. Right hand to that left shin, knee or thigh, left hand coming behind. Just making sure you're not coming onto the pinky edge of that right foot as we twist. As you begin to inhale, releasing. Again, we can stay here or we're going to take a gentle forward fold. So leading with the chin, letting the hands slide. Forearms may come to the shin or come down towards the earth, dropping the head. Inhaling, navel to spine, lifting the torso, lifting the gaze. We're going to begin to gently release this left foot back to the earth. Inhaling the arms up overhead. Exhaling, fingers coming towards myself, and gentle forward fold. This time you might let the hands dangle, or you might take them behind the calves, maybe interlacing and just folding a little bit deeper. And if we're taking a bind, gently releasing, inhaling the arms up overhead. And back to the heart space. We're going to begin to take our figure of 4 / pigeon on the opposite side, so bringing that right ankle or the pinky edge of the foot to that thigh. Again, we might add a gentle pressure to the knee. We can stay here, begin to take our twist. So left hand to the shin, knee or thigh, right hand's coming behind. Looking over towards the right or over that shoulder if it's comfortable in the neck. And then gently beginning to come back to center. Again, we can stay here. We're going to begin to fold, maybe taking the forearms to the shin or folding. Inhaling, lifting the torso and the gaze if we folded. Beginning to release that right foot back down to the brick or the earth. And we're going to inhale the arms up. Exhaling, hinging at the waist, forward fold. Again, that option of taking a bind behind the thighs or the calves. Inhaling, releasing the bind, taking the arms up overhead. We're going to take our side stretch, so that left hand coming down, right arm going over. You can gaze down towards the earth or opening up the chest if it's comfortable for the neck. Slowly beginning to release that right hand back down to the chair. Take this on the other side. Left arm going up, then over, choosing your gaze. Exhaling, releasing that left hand down. We're going to just begin to T-shape out the arms. Bring the hands together in front. And as we inhale, we're going to cactus. So rugby pose like arms. If you like, our elbows coming in towards the lower rib cage, opening up the chest. We're going to take the arms up overhead. Exhaling cactus. On your next breath, taking the arms up and then slowly together down into the heart space. Taking a few rounds of breath here. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And beginning to slowly lift the gaze. Thank you for taking this 10-minute chair yoga flow with me. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the playlist in the descriptions, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.